How to get boosters in Helldivers 2. Let's get started. Boosters are an essential, unlimited passive effect that can be used to increase the chance of a successful liberation. But unless you know where to look, you may be left a little confused about how to unlock and equip boosters. Thankfully, this section of our guide details how to get and use boosters in Helldivers 2. Boosters can be purchased for medals via war bonds in the acquisition center. At launch, there are 7 boosters available, each offering unique squad-based effects such as resistance to injury and increased stamina capacity and recovery. Boosters are not a one-time use item and can be used unlimitedly. Should a booster not appear for you, it will be because another player has already selected this booster. You can view all unlocked boosters by visiting the Armory, which is located as you enter the bridge, and then selecting the Boosters tab. Once you are ready to deploy on a mission, enter a help pod, select your drop zone via the mission briefing screen, and then you will have a chance to select a booster via the empty hexagon shape seen in the bottom right corner of your stratagems loadout. You can also view other players' stratagems and boosters by scrolling across, selecting the item and pressing the toggle info button for the item's description. While booster effects are shared amongst your entire team, they unfortunately do not stack. So if a squad member has already selected a certain booster, you will no longer be able to select that one. For this reason, it's crucial that you coordinate with your squad to discuss who should be using which boosters. Alternatively, unlocking a variety of different boosters, especially those that are less commonly selected, is particularly helpful if you are primarily running in public games, as this allows you plenty of choices if squad coordination is not an option. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get boosters in Helldivers 2. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.